Work here.
This is an amazing car, I gotta tell you.
Yeah, no, it's pretty
Cool.
Yeah, it's pretty.
You're technologically gadgeted, aren't you?
Oh, no,
You're a techno gadget. I like that.
No, you just have to have my camera on.
Yeah, oh, it's just your camera. Okay.
I mean, it's my phone, but it's an app I have to have. Yeah, I just don't trust other drivers. Like
I hear you.
Yeah.
Smart.
Yeah, no evidence, but in case.
It's smart.
Yeah. No, yeah.
Okay, I'm not gonna say anything when you drive.
Oh.
Because I don't want to distract you.
No, it's really hard to get rid of the little spots, but yeah. No, I don't know. I know Richard. I'm surprised he never. Yeah, I mean, I know they want to. I don't know. It's just really weird sometimes.
Trust me, everything's screwed up for me too. I'm supposed to get a shower today.
Oh.
This is my shower day.
Oh,
this is my clean my clothes day. This is my quickly grab my groceries day.
No.
This is everything day that I do in Napa, and he won't take me to Napa.
He lives in Fairfield. It's only
I know.
short drive.
The whole thing got screwed up in there.
Yeah. I don't know what's been going on with him lately.
I don't know.
But it's kind of been weird.
I don't know.
Yeah, no, it's rough. Like, I know he kind of works with some people too. I just don't know if he does it all the time or I don't know. I mean, there we go.
I was like, I was trying to see it. I was like, holy crap.
Yeah, no, it takes out the windshield clear. Bring the.
If you ever want in the morning, I can come out and just clean your car. After I'm smoking, you know, I could just get the windshield cleaned up,
No.
so it's easier for you to drive. So like, I'm out there smoking, and yet I got nothing to do but smoke. I mean, I could easily clean your windshield.
Yeah.
I got a rag, I'll just clean it up.
Yeah, that's pretty good. See, there we go. Yeah, no, I mean, yeah. I mean, they usually say to like leave the car running for a little bit just to like stop, I guess, but a couple of minutes, but yeah, I know the windshield. It's a lot of streets are really.
All I'm gonna have is $100 tomorrow, and that irritates me in cash. The rest of the way on food stamps, and that irritates me because I'm realizing now I was gonna use $150 of my cash to buy a nice thing online. Now I'm gonna have to wait till next week to do it. That irritates me, but it's all right. It's okay. In the long run, I get $350 this week. So it wins both ways.
Yeah.
It's a plus.
Yeah.
Usually only 300, now I'm at 350. It's only for food, but you know.
Oh yeah. No,
it's still fine.
Yeah. No.
100 fun.
Yeah. No. You have like. Now I have like Monday and Tuesday. I'm busy now.
Yeah, I mean I'm fortunate to have the money I have. I know I shouldn't complain.
No, I mean, it's been rough on everyone, but yeah, no, let's see. It's scary. You freak people out. Yeah. I never really seen this empty during the day. It's really weird.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So, I don't know. I mean, it's kind of different from like living to just going back to you're just passing through. It's pretty big difference.
I used to live a little bit sort of here. I worked here at the synagogue, the Jewish temple.
Yeah.
I was their janitor. Well, I was working for Monty as a janitor and doing his job and getting paid a little bit. But anyways, doing so, I had to be in Vallejo a lot, traveling around to get food for him at lunch, things like that. So I gotta say, I know Vallejo pretty well.
I mean, if it was safe, I wouldn't mind.
Oh no, the irony
shopping,
behind it is it's not safe for me in the one slightest bit. I have a bounty on my head here. When I was younger, I was delivering drugs, boxes of it, cocaine and meth, and I would. So as long as I'm in Napa, I'm safe. But in Vallejo, I have a target on my head, and that's why I hate Vallejo with a passion.
I mean, ever since they went into bankruptcy years ago, they back up. Just they still act like they're bankrupt.
It's just them protected, kind of in a way, in Napa, but outside of Napa limits, it's all saying go. Whoever's got a gun, shoot me, stab me, they win the money. Drug lords, and that's why I eat outside of Napa.
Yeah, no.
That's why I always enjoy the days I get to be in Napa.
Yeah.
That's why now I have to push you and other people to do it, which is not fair.
Yeah, no.
In any way.
No, it's not that house.
I didn't know about this Walmart.
Yeah,
I had no idea. You opened my mind.
Yeah, no.
Look at you.
Oh yeah, no.
Look at you, superhero. Teaching me new stuff.
No, I mean,
Don't try to deny it.
No,
something new. Don't try to
we
deny
just
it.
go through here, going to like Napa or somewhere. Like,
You're trying to deny it. You taught me a new place.
yeah, no, it's
a new place for me.
Yeah.